Phonics is all about understanding the relationship between the letters and the sounds. By mastering these relationships, you will be able to decode words, spell with ease, and most importantly, comprehend the story and information hidden within the written text. Hi everyone, this is Angel and welcome back to Phonics Guide for Parents. Let's learn about 2 copycat letters today. I'm sure all of us know who's the biggest copycat in our houses, right? Yes, it's the toddlers. Have you seen them imitating people? Sometimes they grab a scarf and pretend to be the mom. Sometimes they act like their father while speaking on the phone. So I guess all of us know that children learn to imitate others before learning any alphabets. One of the simplest reasons behind this is that they are new to this world. So they are very curious and they don't have enough resources. So they try to learn by simply copying what they see. The story I'm about to tell you is somewhat similar. So let's begin. In a faraway land lived 2 kittens, King and Kong, with their mama, Catty Cat. They loved to play with crumpled paper balls and harmonizing on melodies that went k-k-k. They were cute, cuddly kittens who copied everything their mom, Catty Cat, did. They wanted to grow up and be just like her. One day, the king called upon the kittens, following a long-standing tradition in the kingdom. Any kitten aspiring to transition from their kittenhood to full-fledged cat status was required to successfully capture mice and offer them to the king. The kittens always dreamed of becoming fluffy cats and catching mice just like their mother. So they began their search for the mischievous mice. The first time they saw the mice, they were near a cookie jar stealing cookies. As soon as the kittens progressed, the mice ran away and disappeared behind the folds of the curtain. Next time, the kittens found mice on a toy car, but soon after, they disappeared again. The mice were disheartened, but they decided not to give up and try again. This time, they found the mice near a kettle, and just as they saw the kittens approaching, they hid inside the kettle. King and Kong slowly picked up the kettle and placed it on the fire. Soon, the kettle started heating up and the mice tried to run away from the spout of the kettle. But the kittens caught them and presented it to the king. The king was very happy with their performance and hence gave them the title Clever Cats, King and Kong. King and Kong were now cats and not kittens anymore. The end. I'm very proud of the kittens. They did so well, didn't they? From being called copycat kittens to clever cats, they certainly came a long way. And just like them, the alphabets C and K are also copycats because they make the same sound k, k, k. But this similarity can lead to uncertainty regarding when to use letter C versus K. So, here's a trick to help you remember. Think of a cat. When the sound k is followed by vowels O, U or A, the word begins with C, like in cup, cob, cap. Now, think of a kite. When they're followed by vowels I or E, it's all about K, as in kettle and king. So remember, C and K stick together, but they've got their own rules. It's important to note that there are a few exceptions and irregularities in English, so not all words will follow these rules. However, these guidelines can be a starting point to understand the placement of letters C and K and their pronunciation. Now, letters C and K together also make the same sound K. We use CK in a word when we hear the K sound right after a short vowel at the end of the word. For example, in words like pack, lick, and sock, you'll notice that letters CK appears after a short vowel sound, making that strong K sound. This helps us spell and pronounce these words correctly. So, CK is like a team that shows up after short vowels to make that strong K sound. Come on now, let's write the letters C and K. As discussed previously, there are few words in English that do not follow the typical phonetic rules, which means that we will not be able to read them with just their sounds. These are words which occur frequently in print and we read them by sight without putting much effort into it. These words are called tricky words or sight words. Some examples are do, we, all, are, was, etc. Teaching tricky words to children can be challenging, but it's an essential part of their literacy development. So, use visual aids, multisensory approaches, games and activities, and lots of repetition to guide your child. Okay everyone, let me now teach you how to read these words. Are you ready? Can, kin. Parents, here's another homework assignment for you. Try reading these words and practice on your own. I have full confidence in your abilities to excel. Remember to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And if you have any queries, please put them down in the comment section. Until we meet again, bye-bye.